Hello writers, and welcome back to Spooky Writes. My name's Kemal Onor, and on today's episode we're going to be talking about how can film, television shows, and video games help improve your writing. So let's get into it. Okay, right. When it comes to using TV, movies, or video games as a way to improve your writing, I think this is a great way for beginning writers to practice the craft of writing. Things that you really want to pay close attention to is you want to pay close attention to how is the film building tension within the movie, or how is tension being built in the television show, how is the plot strung together. How are the character arcs occurring over the course of an hour or a half-hour television show? Is everything resolved? And thinking about Freytag's triangle is very important, but certainly drawing inspiration from movies, from video games, from television shows, it can be very beneficial just to practice the act of sitting down and writing. I remember when I first started writing, when I was in high school even, I took one of my favorite video games of all time and I just started writing that story, but I put new characters into it and I made it my own, because there are no original stories anymore, but you do want to draw inspiration just to get into the habit of writing. You want to sit down and write as much as you possibly can, because the more writing that you do, the better you'll get at writing over the course of a long time. So I see that there is nothing wrong with drawing from film, drawing from your favorite TV show, drawing from your favorite video games. By all means, you can certainly tell a story that's set in one of your favorite video games, or you can tell a unique story set in a favorite movie world or a favorite television show. Now, I would always highly recommend that you read more books, but if you are at a very beginning stage of writing, I see nothing wrong with using television shows, films, or video games for inspiration for your stories. By all means, you can use a magic system from some video game, or use a magic system from your favorite fantasy world, and you can use all this as inspiration. You can use all this to just write, because you need to, at a beginning stage, you need to give yourself permission to write. You need to write as much as you possibly can. So there is nothing wrong with drawing inspiration from film, television, or video games. Again, I do want to give the caveat that you want to pay close attention to how is tension being built, or how is the story being achieved in these different mediums, as opposed to the written word. Again, I would highly recommend that you read more books, read short stories, read within your genre, read outside of your genre. Do as much reading as you possibly can, but if you are at a very beginning stage of writing and you just need to give yourself permission to write, and you feel very drawn to a specific piece of media that isn't the written word, that's maybe a favorite movie, or you have a favorite video game and you want to take a character and make it the protagonist of your own story that you want to tell about a specific character. There's nothing wrong with that. And the more writing that you do, the better your writing will get, the stronger your own voice will become. So give yourself permission to draw inspiration from television, to draw inspiration from movies or video games. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and remember to keep it spooky. Also, if you like this kind of content, by all means hit like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you want to see me talk about next. Other than that, thank you so much for watching.